Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best turntable cake is probably one of the most essential tools for any aspiring or professional baker looking to elevate their cake decorating game, transforming simple cakes into stunning edible masterpieces with ease and precision. This versatile piece of equipment allows for smooth, effortless rotation, providing a 360-degree view and access to every angle of your cake, which is crucial for achieving flawless frosting, intricate piping, and seamless fondant application. Whether you're a beginner experimenting with basic techniques or a seasoned decorator tackling complex designs, a good turntable can significantly improve your workflow, reduce frustration, and ultimately lead to more professional-looking results that will impress your friends, family, or clients. Number 5. Kootek Cake Decorating Kit. Unleash your creativity with this essential cake decorating kit. It includes everything you need to craft beautiful cakes, from spatulas and scrapers to a rotating turntable. Achieve professional-looking designs with ease. The smooth spinning turntable allows for consistent patterns and gorgeous decorations in any direction. Create flawless finishes with the included straight and angled frosting spatulas. They make it simple to spread frosting evenly on any cake. Experiment with various textures and patterns using the 3 different edge scrapers. You can easily craft intricate and impressive designs. Become a cake master with the included online user guide. It offers recipes, tutorials, and expert tips to help you succeed. What we like. If you're just starting out with cake decorating, this set is perfect for you. It includes everything you need to get going, plus helpful online guides. If you want a comprehensive kit to learn with, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The turntable is very sturdy and spins smoothly, making decorating cakes a breeze. I love the non-slip surface on top, which keeps the cake from sliding around while I'm working on it. The height is perfect for comfortable decorating, and it's easy to clean after use. Number 4. Kootek Aluminium Cake Turntable Set. This baking set is constructed with heavy-duty aluminum alloy for excellent stability. Its non-slip surface and rubber feet ensure your creation stays in place while you decorate. Whether for Mother's Day, a wedding, or a party, this set offers endless enjoyment. It's perfect for creating lasting memories while baking with loved ones. Achieve professional-looking cakes with the included decorating combs and icing smoother. They help you create various textures and smooth the sides of your cake effortlessly. The angled offset spatula makes applying icing to cakes a breeze. It's perfect for smoothing frosting, creating layered cakes, and even cutting. A soft silicone spatula aids in mixing ingredients perfectly. The stainless steel cake server allows you to cut and serve slices cleanly without damaging your baked goods. Crafted from strong, durable, and food-grade materials, this set is built to last. Enjoy reusable, corrosion-resistant tools designed for all your baking needs. What we like. For those who prioritize stability and durability, this option is a winner. Its robust construction ensures it won't budge while you work. If you're looking for a reliable tool that also comes with a handy cake server, consider this one. What people say. The turntable is very sturdy and spins smoothly, making decorating cakes a breeze. I love the non-slip surface on top. It keeps the cake from sliding around while I'm working on it. The height is perfect for comfortable decorating, and it's easy to clean afterwards. Number 3. Ohuhu Aluminium 12-foot Cake Decorating Kit. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, this cake stand is built to last through countless baking adventures. Its anti-slip surface ensures your creation stays perfectly in place during decorating, serving, or cutting. No more cake disasters. A stable base combined with a rubber pad at the bottom provides excellent grip, preventing any unwanted slips and keeping your masterpiece secure. Decorate with ease, whether you're left or right-handed. This stand rotates smoothly in both directions, offering a silent and seamless experience thanks to its stainless steel bearing. Unleash your creativity with included decorating combs and scrapers. These tools help you smooth frosting, create textures, and even slice your cake, bringing gorgeous designs within reach. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply use dish soap and warm water for a quick sparkle. Built for years of use, its durability is guaranteed. What we like. This turntable offers a super smooth decorating experience, perfect for both left and right-handed bakers. The anti-slip features give you confidence while you create. If you value a seamless spin and a secure base, this is the one for you. What people say. The turntable is very smooth and stable, making it easy to decorate cakes. It is made of durable material and can hold heavy cakes. The non-slip surface keeps the cake in place while decorating. Number 2. Puroma 12-foot Aluminium Alloy Cake Turntable. This cake turntable is crafted from heavy-duty aluminum alloy, ensuring it remains stable and won't wobble while you decorate. It's perfect for all your cakes, cupcakes, and desserts. Enjoy a seamless decorating experience with its quiet, smooth rotation, powered by stainless steel ball bearings. It spins effortlessly in both directions, making it ideal for both left and right-handed users. Decorate with confidence thanks to its non-slip surface and silicone base for superior grip. It also features helpful size markings to guide your cake creation. This kit includes a variety of icing spatulas, perfect for applying frosting smoothly and evenly. They are also useful for creating layered cakes or even cutting. Experiment with different textures and designs using the included icing combs. With various patterns available, you can easily add professional-looking finishes to your baked goods. This comprehensive decorating kit makes baking enjoyable and straightforward. Elevate your cakes and desserts with ease, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. What we like. If precise cake sizing is important to you, this turntable's tick marks are a game changer. It also offers a quiet and smooth decorating process. For bakers who appreciate accuracy and a peaceful decorating session, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The turntable is very sturdy and spins smoothly, making it easy to decorate cakes. It has a non-slip surface that keeps the cake in place while decorating. The height is adjustable, which is great for working with cakes of different sizes. Number 1. HOMESPHERE Acacia Wood Rectangular Cake Stand with Lid. Elevate your baked goods with this stunning cake stand. Its generous size is designed to showcase your creations, turning them into true masterpieces. Unlike traditional glass covers, this shatterproof acrylic dome offers a unique rectangular shape and an easy-to-lift knob. It's a lightweight, durable, and practical solution for both storage and display. Unleash your inner entertainer with this versatile serving piece. When flipped, it doubles as a charcuterie board, perfect for cheese, chips, dips, or even a fruit platter. Keep your culinary creations fresh and fabulous. This cover shields your food from dust and dirt, ensuring cakes stay moist, pastries crispy, and cheese boards succulent. Your go-to centerpiece for any event, from birthdays to weddings. It's a chic, shatterproof alternative to traditional glass cake stands, adding flair to any gathering. What we like. This isn't just a cake stand, it's a versatile display piece. The elegant acacia wood and unique rectangular shape make it a stunning centerpiece. If you love to entertain and want a multifunctional item that looks beautiful, this is a must-have. What people say. The turntable is smooth and spins easily, making decorating cakes a breeze. It's sturdy and doesn't wobble, even with a heavy cake on it. The non-slip surface keeps the cake in place while you work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.